Jai Srimannarayana. 11th sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tesham yevanukampardam aham ajnanajam tamaha nasayami आत्मभावस्थो ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता ओम. Fix your mind in Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine feet. Krishna Paramatma should be the object of your thoughts, your plans, and all your activities. If you do that and also realize that Krishna Paramatma has infinite divine attributes and qualities, if you keep thinking like this, Krishna Paramatma becomes the brilliant lamp and dispels all your ignorance. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall fix my mind in your divine feet. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall have you as an object for all my thoughts, plans, and all my activities. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, please dispel all my ignorance. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskrutya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo 10th Skandham, Dasama Skandham, 121st day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna is showing entire universe in his mouth to his mother Yasoda Devi. After seeing all that, after seeing herself in Krishna's mouth, after seeing entire Nandavrajam also in Krishna's mouth, Yasoda Devi, with a big shock, she is thinking like this. Kim swapna ye tatvuta deva maya, kim va madiyah bata buddhi mohaha, adho amushyaiva mama arbhakasya yakkaschana outpattikatmayogaha. Am I dreaming? Kalayo Vaishnavamayayo itara sankalpardhamo satyamo talapannerakayunnadanano Yasodadevi-gano parasthalamo balakudenta ఈతని ముఖస్తంభై అజాండంబు ప్రజ్వలమైయుండుటకేమి హేతువో మహాశ్చర్యంబు చింతింపగన్. Am I dreaming? Or is it something Paramatma's Sri Mahavishnu's Maya? Or am I in delusion? Or maybe it is all true. My mind, my intellect, probably it is not working properly. Probably my son Krishna has some magical powers. Or am I really Yasoda? Is it my home? Otherwise, look at this boy, small boy. In his small mouth, this entire Brahmandam is now, I can see that. How is it possible? It is not, I am not able to perceive with my jnanam, but clearly I am able to see everything in Krishna's mouth with my naked eyes. Like that, Yasoda Devi thinking within herself. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, 11th sloka. తేషాం ఏవానుకంపార్థం అహమజ్ఞానజం తమః నాశయామి ఆత్మభావస్థో జ్ఞానదీపేన భాస్వత. తేషాం ఏవానుకంపార్థం అహమజ్ఞానజం తమః నాశయామి ఆత్మభావస్థో జ్ఞానదీపేన భాస్వత. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.